Welcome to the Caribbean Lifestyle, an online magazine with a difference. The first of its kind to bring diverse areas of interest into one dynamic online publication fit for the Caribbean citizen at heart. Our features and segments cover what the young and energetic entrepreneur would like to know, as well as what the seasoned investor would enjoy to read, all the while encompassing everything that makes us Caribbean: our food, music, culture, and of course, our beautiful Caribbean chain of islands. Music covers the music genres popular in the Caribbean and the world, while featuring the artists that produce in them. Relationships take you through useful advice, whether you're single or married. Leisure takes you to different Caribbean territories and showcases their hotel properties, amenities, and spa getaways. Wealth appeals to the businessman or woman, highlighting banking, the stock market, and how to own your piece of real estate, and even advises on investment. Food and drink takes you to the finest Caribbean restaurants and unveils the most interesting cocktails you have ever tasted. Fashion taps into the creativity of our Caribbean designers and gives the ladies insights on skin and hair care in one fabulous segment. The E-Club, Executive, Entrepreneur, and Edify, featuring Caribbean and international entrepreneurs, pinpointing ideas for business executives, and gives an interactive book review for each issue. High Tech gives you the 411 on what's hot in technology today, whilst Auto Caribbean appeals to the car lovers, showing the newest toys on the automobile market. In all these exciting and dynamic activities, our Keeping the Faith segment empowers you to achieve all your short-term and long-term goals by believing in yourself. We are a global magazine, reaching all smart devices in each of the four corners of the world. At one click, our website is accessible, and we have an interactive method of reading the magazine online, wherever you are. If you're interested in advertising with us, contact us on the numbers and email addresses you see here. Contributing writers, we want to hear from you too. Send us an email at editor@thecaribbeanlifestyle.com. Join us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Google+. We will be more than happy to hear from you. The Caribbean Lifestyle Magazine. One Caribbean, one people, endless possibilities.
Like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/thecaribbeanlifestyle. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram.